Well, we can expect several inches of rain over the next few days across East Tennessee. Officials with TVA, they say we typically get about 52 inches of rain each year, which amounts to about 1 inch per week. Despite the heavy rain this week, TVA officials say they manage an estimated 50 reservoirs and they have operation plans in place to avoid flooding.
Teams of engineers follow forecast and river conditions around the clock. And so we're looking at forecasts that come in from the National Weather Service, looking at these rainfall amounts up to 7 days in advance. So as we see these weather systems develop, we come up with operating plans to, allow for that weather to move in.
TVA officials are monitoring the chances for severe weather, and they say there are ways you can be prepared ahead of the storms. First off, keep an emergency kit stocked with supplies like food, water, and medicine. It should also include a first aid kit, a flashlight, even a change of clothes. We have a full article on emergency kits and preparing for severe weather on our website, WBIR.com, and in the As Seen on TV section of our app.
We're sharing